guys, and this is ESC and saying Merry Christmas to one and all. And today I am so glad and happy that I finally received the first gift that was sent to me by a friend based from Sydney, Australia. And shout out to my friend, elementary friend ko yan ha. That's Elmer Hadraki na basta nagpadala siya. And I just received it now and here it is. And thank you really so much Elmer for your generosity of sending this parcel to ESC. And he sent this one December 1st, and because of pandemic, so medyo matagal-tagal yung pagdating, and it arrived Bangkok yesterday, and then the day after I received it already. So actually services in Thailand is just very quick. It's just only that international services there is a problem, and we understand that one. And samahan niyo ako mamaya guys, and we'll be knowing what's inside of this parcel, kung ano mga nilalagay dito na aking kaibigang Elmer Hadraki. And thank you really so much sa unang papasko na to, and I love you always.